Today, we would like to introduce you a DIY dental cleaning product. The teeth cleaning kit are available in a large box and a small box. It is especially useful for men who like to smoke, drink tea and wine, and for women who like to drink coffee and red wine. It effectively cleans the tartar and restores the original color of the teeth. It adopts physical absorption principle. No peroxide, relying on the microfiber inside the product, requiring only water and quickly removing plaque. Open the box. You will find the handle, the cleaning strip, and the instruction manual inside. The handle is sealed in a transparent aluminum foil bag, and the strips are also sealed in a aluminum foil bag for cleanliness and hygiene. 5 pieces in a bag, and the instructions are detailed and easy to understand. The handle is rounded and comfortable to grip, with a round hole in the middle for the big finger to pinch in place. The white sponge head at the top of the handle is the cleaning part of the product, with an arrow design for a good cleaning angle. Easy to use, just dip it in water and wipe your teeth directly. The sponge on the head of the wipe is close to your teeth, and you can wipe wherever it is dirty. How to replace the strips? 1. With the S symbol on the handle facing upwards, place the index finger of the left hand on the back of the handle and clasp the thumb over the arrow with the white strip.
2. Finger against the handle S logo bottom. Right hand thumb is located between the handle arrow and the clip. Appropriate force. Open the handle clip.
3. Remove the used strips. 4. Take out new one. 5. Insert one end of the strip into the slot inside the clip. Clamp the clip and the arrow post, bend it along the arrow and insert it into the other side of the arrow post. Snap the clip on the other side and clamp the two sides of the clip. Press down hard and complete the replacement. The remaining product can be recycled in the box. OEM is available depending on the quantity and configuration. The handle color and packaging can be customized.